Today we'd like to introduce DIRAK's 1-451 pressure tight system for flat rods. This system is designed for applications with a high risk of explosion, such as electrical cabinets or battery enclosures. The system is designed for flat rod systems with a standard 24mm stroke. The system features 10mm steel locking pins that attach to the flat rod with offset anchor screws. The pin aligns with a U-bracket that's welded to the door, and this aligns with a weld-on or bolt-on frame bracket. The frame-mounted latch is available as weld-on or M10 bolt-on. The system can be added in multiple locations, providing the necessary level of locking protection. It can also be used with the 3-166 redirection to provide latching at both the top and bottom of the door frame. If you'd like any additional information, samples, or a quote, please don't hesitate to reach out to your DIRAK sales area manager or local sales representative. Thanks.